All right, so this test is with the mic capsule facing to the inside of the shirt. And so the shirt is in the way. The benefit is it should be harder to clip it. All right, so now the preamp on the camera is all the way down to 1. So this is as quiet as this particular mic can perform on this camera. Now, could you get a camera with a less sensitive preamp? Normally, you wouldn't want that because then you have to crank up the gain and then you get a higher noise floor. It is set to a level 1, and this is the type of volume I'm sure the microphone would love you to stay at. But if you're a person like me, from time to time, you need a little more headroom, and then you got to kind of even everything else out after the fact. A limiter would be wonderful, a compressor, something like this. Because I might have to I mean, eventually we probably should just get an external audio interface. But for now, you can go either into yours or into...
Oh, we can just roll into that.
That's what I meant, yeah.
Oh, okay. But then...
What level am I right now, Jack? I better be at least at the low end. We'll bring it up later in post, I'll tell you what. Jack told me not to yell today. I clipped the mic yesterday and I blew a couple speakers. The coffee is warm today. It's warming me up. Jack's getting creative because he can move around now. So he can go back, he can go forward.
I think he secretly wants the hoverboard back though. Yeah.
No, there's no room for, there's no room. Help who? You think Jack needs help? You talking about robot legs? Oh, I know what you're thinking. Will's always looking for the next thing, isn't he? Sometimes the next new thing is not what you want it to be. Goodness gracious, Will, we're in trouble over here, aren't we? What do we got? We could crack this FedEx box since this is where we got Will's gold bond yesterday.
Gold bond medication.
Yeah, your name's on the packages, so therefore you know what it is. You always know what it is. So you don't get the surprise, I get the surprise. Sony sent us something, that's exciting. This is a competitor to the Bose product.
Yeah.
And I had a time with that.
Oh my god, it's so weird.
So this might take us to outer space. You want to try it out or what? Shall we dance? Kirk, what do you think, man? Is this you walking around the house or what?
Yeah, I think we'll take you to like a cinematic universe.
Kirk's just trying to keep the dream alive in terms of cinema, the word cinema. Kirk is Mr. Cinema. Sony SRS WS1 immersive wearable speaker. I think you're supposed to still have your headphones and have this, and they serve different purposes. Ooh, all right. Nice little unboxing experience right there. And it looks like a kind of cool charging scenario as well. Charge dock. Now, there's 2 pieces to it. Do you use this on the couch? Is that the idea? You put your audio source into there. I mean, we're gonna figure it out. Oh, cushion, comfort, texture, tremendous accessory package, DC in, digital in, and analog in. So this is definitely where your audio source connects to. Maybe you want to connect the digital out from your PlayStation, something like that. And then this base here is nothing but a DC in the form of micro USB, and then this fits with a magnet. That's nice. I care about charging. What can I say? I want things to be charged. Docks help me charge it all. Because I got a charging nightmare, I'll be honest with you. I can't even wear a smartwatch, guys. It's just one extra thing, I'm charging everything. It's half my life is charging. Finding the things. Docking the things. So you have it down, it's charging, and you're gonna grab it from the front, so you put your index finger and pull up. I noticed something interesting. If you look on the inside here, there's a hollow channel. And I'm guessing there's some sort of purpose for that from an audio perspective, create some space. So it's probably gonna deliver some bass. That would be my guess. There's a power switch. That, I'm gonna read that potentially as vibration. It's a guess for now. On the other side, you have little buttons for volume, plus, minus, pretty self-explanatory. That's your look. Will? It's my look. This is my look.
It's not bad. It's pretty good.
I'm not closed off from my environment. It sounds like a whole room. You know when you would do like a surround sound demo and you're in the rainforest and it's the birds and the trickle of the rain. You know what I'm saying? The leaves and the wind. You're gonna need to plug in a traditional audio source. So let's see what type of cables they give you. Micro USB, that's gonna be probably for your charge dock. Micro USB to mini jack. This is for a phone. Oh, I can use a traditional wired connection. Interesting. All right, so that's cool, all right. You could use it in a portable fashion, even though it doesn't have Bluetooth. So we could connect this guy right here. They've also included a mini jack to mini jack connector. So this one, you would go to your analog in to the transmitter box and then to your audio source. And this would be their optimal setting, I'd imagine, because this gives you your digital audio. Of course, for the purpose of this video, we can try out the old school, old fashioned, typical mini jack straight in. This is a Walkman in 2020. I need a phone with a mini jack. Will, do you have a mini jack on your phone? No, you have a Pixel. Oh, I'll just use my laptop. I'll use my laptop. Shall we play a tune? We probably should. It's tickling me. You know, it's a nice vibe, really. If I'm just relaxing, I'm just here working. It's vibrating, yeah. You could turn the vibration off.
Oh, I think there's 3 levels.
3 levels.
Yeah.
3 levels to the vibration. Discovery.
This is no vibration.
Yeah.
And then this is mid. And that's max.
I think it lives beside your couch. If you're a guy like Will, for example, you know, he's chilling, he's relaxing. He just has the run of the place. You want to eat macaroni and cheese? You eat macaroni and cheese. That's what I was looking to float around a little bit. That's the one I was looking for. I was looking to float around, you know, every so often.